Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will compare two flagship smartphones, Apple iPhone 6s and Samsung Galaxy S7. I'll talk about the design of the phones first. Both smartphones, iPhone 6s and Galaxy S7, feature same design as their predecessors, iPhone 6 and Galaxy S6 respectively. The iPhone 6s comes with sleek and flat design in an aluminum shell with rounded edges, which looks premium in hand. The Galaxy S7, on the other hand, flaunts its premium glass and metal design. Both smartphones are aesthetically beautiful, and it's difficult to pick one from these two. Yet, if you're looking for a phone with metal build, then you can go for iPhone 6s. And if you are a fan of glass and metal design, then Galaxy S7 is the right device for you. Now let's talk about display. iPhone 6s features a 4.7-inch display with resolution of 1334 by 750. The display looks gorgeous and has good viewing angles. It also comes with 3D touch technology, which means that the display recognizes and responds to different types of pressures, tap, press, and long press, which the user applies to perform various functions. The Galaxy S7 features a 5.1-inch Super AMOLED display with Quad HD 1440p resolution. The display is bright and rich with good viewing angles and good sunlight legibility. In this department, Galaxy S7 seems to have an edge since its display is more vivid and sharp. The S7 has a Super AMOLED display with better screen resolution and is one of the best displays in this price segment. Next is camera. The iPhone 6s sports a 12-megapixel iSight camera with True Tone LED flash. On the front, it sports a 5-megapixel secondary camera with Retina flash feature. It also comes with a live photos feature that allow users to record 3 seconds footage with every image taken with camera, that is 1.5 seconds before and 1.5 seconds after. The Galaxy S7 comes with a 12-megapixel dual-pixel camera with LED flash, OIS and PDAF. It also features a 5-megapixel front shooter. It comes with f1.7 aperture and takes high-quality images even in low light. Both smartphones support 4K video recording and slow motion video recording. So in camera department, both phones impress us with their powerful cameras that take excellent shots. But one drawback of iPhone 6s is that it lacks OIS. Also, the Galaxy S7 outperforms iPhone 6s in low light images. Now hardware and performance of these phones. Galaxy S7 comes with an octa-core Exynos 8890 processor paired with 4GB of RAM. The iPhone 6s, on the other hand, is powered by an A9 chipset coupled with 2GB of RAM. Despite lacking in hardware specs on spec sheet when compared to Galaxy S7, the iPhone 6s impresses us. The iPhone 6s is optimized in such a manner that it can withstand anything that you throw at it. Certainly, the Galaxy S7 packs better specs compared to iPhone 6s. It has a slight upper hand and is a beast when it comes to performance due to its highly capable processor, very good GPU and twice the RAM. But we cannot compare iOS and Android as both are totally different platforms, and iPhone 6s is optimized in such a manner that it offers comparable performance. In terms of end usage and not looking at the spec sheet, the iPhone 6s is at par with the Galaxy S7. Next is storage. iPhone 6s comes in 3 variants based on storage: 16, 64 and 128GB. All the variants lack microSD card support for expandable storage. The Galaxy S7 houses 32GB of internal memory and supports expandable storage up to 200GB using microSD card. Now software. The iPhone 6s runs iOS 9 while Galaxy S7 runs Android Marshmallow wrapped under TouchWiz UI. Both are completely different operating systems. While Android is inclined towards offering customization to its users, iOS emphasizes on security and privacy. iOS experience on iPhone 6s is much smoother, cleaner and more consistent compared to TouchWiz on Galaxy S7, which appears to be a bit cluttered. Next is battery department. The Galaxy S7 is backed up by a 3000 mAh battery and supports fast charging and wireless charging. Compared to other flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S7 has a better battery life. The iPhone 6s lags behind in terms of battery capacity as it packs 1715 mAh battery, yet it is good enough to survive for one day on moderate usage, as it manages to give around one full day of usage. Now some additional features. Both smartphones feature fingerprint sensors integrated into home button for additional security. Fingerprint sensor of Galaxy S7 is not as good as iPhone 6s and also takes more time to unlock compared to iPhone 6s. Thus, iPhone 6s is the clear winner in this department. Additionally, the Galaxy S7 comes with IP68 rating for resistance against water and dust. This feature is missing on iPhone 6s. Next is pricing. The Galaxy S7 with 32GB storage is available for around Rs 48,000 or around $630 US. iPhone 6s will cost you nearly the same for 16GB variant. The 64 and 128GB variants of iPhone 6s are available for around Rs 60,000 and 72,000. Both iPhone 6s and Samsung Galaxy S7 are based on totally different platforms. iPhone 6s impresses us with its premium design, 3D touch display, stunning camera, and fast fingerprint sensor. It offers clean and consistent user experience, but it lags a bit in battery department. The Galaxy S7 on the other hand is a beast when it comes to performance, design, battery, and even camera. It takes great quality low light shots and is also IP68 certified. Both Galaxy S7 and iPhone 6s are worthy contenders to each other. The Galaxy S7 appears to outperform the iPhone 6s in many departments on spec sheet, but in terms of usage, the iPhone 6s does an equally capable job. In our opinion, both smartphones are equally good and it depends on your choice whether you like simplicity of iPhone 6s or versatility of Galaxy S7. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.